Hello everyone, I am Rusha Mukherjee, student of Sundanath Law College and presently interning with Lex & Company. Today I am going to talk about the general power of attorney. We know there are general powers of attorney and special powers of attorney also. By way of power of attorney, we actually give certain rights and powers to the person to whom we are entrusting the rights, and actually his action or his work will be deemed to be done by us. We generally give a power of attorney if we are very busy and we cannot do the work on our own, and hence we are actually delegating someone else to do or take decisions on behalf of us. Maybe a property is under the ownership of more than one person, 3 or 4%, but all of them can come into a mutual understanding and give the power of attorney to any one person. In case of the power of attorney, it is obviously not irrevocable, even if it is mentioned in the power of attorney that it is irrevocable, but it will not be irrevocable because in law all powers of attorney can be revoked if the executant wants it. In case of witnesses, the family member cannot be a witness and the third party has to be a witness. It can be done by any legal consultant, legal student, or any other advocates, and it does not essentially require an advocate. The power of attorney or the general power of attorney does not allow by the selling of the property by way of the power of attorney, according to the recent Supreme Court judgment that has been given. But still it can be mentioned because there is no strict law barring the selling of property by power of attorney. The power of attorney does not give any absolute right to the attorney. The signature of the attorney is not at all required, but the executant has to sign it. When we start the general power of attorney, the heading will be general power of attorney. Then we will start with the part that known all men, that I or we, whatever be the number of the executant, is an executant, and then we will write the name, father's name, address. If we want, we can also give the Aadhaar number. Specifically, Aadhaar number is given so that we can understand that a power of attorney is given by a specific person. Because name can be same of different persons, but Aadhaar number is never the same for any other person. After writing all the name of the executant, we will also write that to whom we are giving the power of attorney, where he lives, what is his name and father's name. The terms and conditions of the power of attorney will also be written. Specifically, the rights has also to be mentioned. The rights mainly includes taking any decisions, signing on behalf of the executant, using that property and making a construction on it for the betterment of the property, taking any decision for the maintenance of the property, or also filing any suit or appeals in his name for the property disputes. The property that we see will remain of the executant. In no way the attorney holder will be the owner of the property. He will only be one person who is carrying on all the duties and all the works on behalf of the executant who is giving the power of attorney. In case the power of attorney dispute arises, it is very important that the rights and the limitations of the attorney holder will be given very specifically in the general power of attorney. In the specific parts, we can also give certain extra rights like making a specific construction, accepting rent on his behalf, using that rent for the maintenance of the property, and something like that. The property rent can be accepted and he can use it, and normally general power of attorney is done in respect to a property and not for anything else. It can be given within a family or to any other third party also, specifically to any person who is more than 20 years of age. And this is given by someone when he has to mention how the executant became the owner of the property, and being the owner of the property, he is actually taking the decision to give the power of attorney to someone. An alien cannot give a power of attorney all of a sudden. That's all for today. This was a very short video on how to make a general power of attorney. If you like it, subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.